The quality of water resources on our planet constantly deteriorates. Petroleum products, heavy metals, organic and biogenic elements get into water sources due to insufficient depth of wastewater treatment. The reason is technical immaturity of existing wastewater treatment technologies. Moreover, they consume a lot of energy and materials, while treatment facilities occupy large areas. Studies of the electromagnetic field effects on liquids, including water, have been and are conducted now. But an electromagnetic field has almost never been used for wastewater treatment in classic form. The situation changed after developing AVX, Vortex layer devices. These devices use a rotating electromagnetic field and ferromagnetic particles that move along complex trajectories when driven by this field, and constantly collide with the operating chamber walls, with one another, and with particles of processed substances. At first, the process seems simple, but in addition to extensive mixing and dispersion of components which take place in the device operating chamber, there also arise other phenomena having a favorable effect on wastewater treatment: high local pressure, water electrolysis, acoustic waves, and cavitation. Vortex layer devices can be easily integrated into existing wastewater treatment lines, replacing properly sized tanks and mechanical mixers. Mixing the wastewater with chemical agents occurs in the stream and lasts from split to several seconds. Chemical reactions are more complete and intensive, which allows several chemical agents, and the devices themselves are reliable in operation and have been operating for decades. Globecore has developed and manufactures Vortex layer devices of AVS-100 and AVS-150 types for treatment facilities. You can see the specifications of these devices on the screen now. As the table shows, the specific energy consumption of the devices per unit volume of wastewater is small and averages 0.4 to 0.5 kilowatts hours per cubic meter. Applying AVX Vortex layer devices in wastewater treatment lines of various origins makes it possible to achieve the treatment quality below the maximum permissible concentrations and to obtain positive results. When removing heavy metals, the consumption of chemical agents is reduced 1.5 to 2 times, the energy consumption 2 times, and the production space of treatment facilities by 10 to 15%. When removing phenol and other organic compounds, the energy consumption decreases 10 to 15 times. The consumption of chemical agents for oxidation 1.5 to 2 times, and the production space for treatment facilities 1.5 to 2 times. When removing arsenic, complete precipitation of arsenic is ensured within 1 to 5 seconds. The consumption of chemical agents is reduced 3 to 5 times compared to conventional technology, and the process itself becomes continuous. When treating the wastewater of livestock breeding complexes, complete removal of pathogenic microorganisms, fungi, helminths, and their eggs is ensured. Therefore, AVS-100 and AVS-150 Vortex layer devices offer massive opportunities for rapid and inexpensive upgrading of already existing treatment facilities of any type. Globecore also produces self-contained mobile wastewater treatment complexes based on Vortex layer devices to solve local problems, such as treating and decontaminating the wastewater of medical institutions with subsequent safe discharge thereof into the city sewer system. And what is the future effect of discharging already treated wastewater into the city sewer system? Please leave your opinion in the comments.